Hopefully it's not too windy. I'm gonna go walking around here. Where to begin? I don't like going that quickly. Okay, I just went out and did some walking. You know, I've been having trouble since I started walking again around the 1st of this year. I don't know when it was. With my left leg because I hurt it years ago while hiking, somewhat hiking. But years ago it did. It come back to haunt me. And I also broke the foot of the right leg. That came back to haunt me recently with all this new exercise and everything. But anyway, I was walking just fine. I was taking pictures and I wasn't thinking about how my leg always winds up hurting. And as soon as I thought that, it caught it. But what I was amazed was I felt like just keep walking. You know, before I realized usually I can't. So, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'll show some pictures out here. It's so pretty. You know, I wish they'd water them a little more, maybe. I don't know. I'm not an expert gardener either. So, yeah. Who is this guy with a cowboy hat? So, this is Texas, but I hardly ever see anybody with a cowboy hat. Yeah, kind of cute. All right, enough.